There's a blizzard coming on, and I'm wishing I was home. For my horse is old and he can hardly stand. Lord, my hands feel like they're froze, and there's a numbness in my toes. But it's only 7 miles to Marianne's.
It's only 7 miles to Marianne.
You can bet we're on her mind, for it's nearly supper time. And I'll bet there's hot biscuits in the pan. Dan, just think about that barn with the hay so soft and warm. It's only 5 more miles to Marianne's.
It's only 5 more miles to Marianne.
The wind's a-howling and it seems mighty like a woman screams. And we best be moving faster if we can. Listen to that northern sigh. If we don't get home, we'll die. It's only 3 more miles to Marianne's.
It's only 3 more miles to Marianne.
Get up, Dan, you ornery cuss, or you'll be the death of us. I'm so weary, I'll help you if I can. All right, Dan, perhaps it's best we'll just stop a while and rest. It's just another mile to Marianne's.
It's just another mile to Marianne.
By the morn, the storm was gone, and they found him there at dawn. He'd have made it, but he just wouldn't leave old Dan. Yes, they found him on the plains, his hands frozen to the reins. He was just 100 yards from Marianne's.
He was just 100 yards from Marianne.